So hi everybody, today we're taking a look at the Hisingy Mach 500. It's a great indoor drone for your kids. This way they can start learning how to fly drones. So we're going to go ahead, open up the box, see what's inside, and then we'll do a test flight. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and welcome to my channel. If you like what you're seeing today, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. This way you know when I go ahead and I put up some more videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So I want to go ahead first off and thank Hisingy for sending me this Mach 500 indoor drone designed for kids. It's an easy copter, designed for dreamers, built for flyers. Okay, enjoy the fun of flying with Hisingy. The journey starts here. It's a great drone. It's model BR153, and your child will love it. I tested it out. Works really great. No problems at all. The remote is very good, and the drone is very responsive to the remote signals. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead, open up the box. So once we open up the box, on the left-hand side, you have your wireless remote control. On the right-hand side, you do have your drone. Right here, this is the drone battery. Make sure that you do charge it, as it does come with the cable, so this way you could go ahead and charge it. I'll show you that in a couple of seconds. And then I also want to point out that the remote has a lot of different buttons on here for you to go ahead and control your drone. The one thing I like, it does have an emergency stop button. I'll show that also to you when I take it out. Now inside the box is also an old packet. When you open up the packet, here you have the instruction manual for the Mach 500. Down below that, there's your USB-A, and it has a little battery adapter for the drone battery, so you could go ahead and attach it, and this way you can charge the battery before flight. Right down below that is the easy guide. So this way you could go ahead and just take a look at a few things. And you also can see how to fly it. And there's a QR code in there. So this way you can go and download the app onto your phone. Also, we have Journey starts here. When you open it up, it's very cool. It has like a little comic book inside. Very nice. Down below that, we have 2 stickers, packets. You have a whole bunch of stickers that you need to go ahead and to put onto your drone to design it up really nice. And right above that, we have the Mach 500. You have a playing card. Now let's go ahead and let's take a look at the wireless remote. On the top, you have a button for speed. Then you also have another button, and you could do a flip. These are your steering, up and down, steering, and all. And again, this is all explained in the easy manual. You have LED on and off. You have circle fly. Then you also have your F trim, B trim. You have calibrating the gyro. You have right trim, left trim. And then what's really nice is that you have a takeoff button. And if you need to, you have your emergency stop button. That's always nice. Here's your on and off button. And on the bottom, of course, you have to put in 3 AAA batteries. Here is your drone itself. To the right of that is the battery. And on the protective cover is on where the battery connection will be made. Make sure you save this way after every flight. When you go to store your drone, you put that protective cover back on. This way it does not damage the contacts for the battery to the drone. This is what it looks like when you first turn your drone on. You got all these beautiful LED lights on your drone. And of course, on the left-hand side, the joystick, if you go ahead and push it forward, it will start up your drone's propellers. Let's go ahead now and do a test flight. Okay, so now that we have the drone on the ground, let's go ahead and show you what you need to do with the remote control. Sorry. With the remote control, you want to make sure your power on. After your power is on, you want to make sure the first thing you do is calibrating the gyro. So go ahead and press that. After you press that, you want to press up Press down. This way the remote control is paired with your drone. Then it will go ahead and spin and take off.